This innocent-looking little bird suddenly drops into the water and disappears beneath the surface. You'd think it drowned. But wait, just a few seconds later, you'll see it walking underwater, moving across the riverbed like a human stepping on stones, hunting fish, then coming back up with prey clenched in its beak. What kind of magic is this? What kind of bird can live underwater like a fish and still fly in the sky like a bird? Meet one of nature's most fascinating little wonders, the dipper bird. So how does this tiny bird move underwater? Let's uncover its secrets one by one. First secret, weighted wings. When the dipper dives into water, it spreads its wings slightly and uses them like anchors. The strong current pushes against its wings, holding it down instead of lifting it up. Almost like airplane wings working in reverse. The stronger the water flow, the more firmly it stays anchored to the riverbed. Then, using its sharp, strong claws, it grips the rocks and moves forward step by step. Second secret, an oil-coated shield. Near the dipper's tail is a special gland called the uropygial gland. This gland produces oil that the bird spreads over its feathers using its beak, just like how people apply oil during winter. This oil keeps water from soaking into its feathers. On top of that, trapped air between the feathers forms an invisible bubble-like layer around its body. So even underwater, it stays completely dry. Third secret, oxygen stored in the blood. Now the biggest question, how does it breathe underwater? Nature has equipped the dipper with a special system. Its blood contains much more hemoglobin than most birds, storing more oxygen. Its muscles are rich in a protein called myoglobin, acting like a backup oxygen tank. Because of this, it can stay underwater for up to 30 seconds comfortably. During that time, it hunts fish, insects, and aquatic larvae. Fourth secret, natural goggles. How does it see so clearly underwater? It has a transparent third eyelid called a nictitating membrane. As soon as it dives in, this eyelid covers its eyes like diving goggles. Everything underwater becomes crystal clear. Fish, insects, even what's under the rocks. And here's the most surprising part. The dipper builds its nest in an incredible place, right behind waterfalls. The entrance is always hidden behind rushing water. No predator can reach it. When the chicks hatch, they're first taught how to dive, not how to fly. In many cases, they learn to swim and dive even before flying. And that is nature's tiny underwater magician, the dipper bird.